To change the main PCB on the ARA-X4, you first need to open up the outer casing of the device and remove 6 small screws. Next, remove the transparent clip that holds the sensor PCB in place. There is one small screw at the bottom that you will need to remove. Gently remove the sensor PCB from the case. You may feel some resistance from the connection ports. Then, lift out the main PCB. Finally, take your new PCB and place it back into the outer casing. Carefully go back through the previous steps to put all of the components back into the device.